If you have Bitcoin and you want to use it on your mobile phone to make payments, then this Bitcoin wallet tutorial will teach you all about it. Hi, I'm Adriaan and I am part of the Bitcoin for Beginners team, and in this tutorial we will teach you how to install a mobile wallet. We will first give you some general tips about mobile wallets. Then we will have some comments on the Bitcoin wallet we are going to install. We will show you how to install it, how to make a backup. We will go through some settings. We will show you how to send and receive transactions. We will show you how to sweep a paper wallet. Please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. In general, we can say that mobile wallets are not secure storage for larger amounts of Bitcoin. They are, however, useful for on-the-go sending and receiving of small-ish payments or sweeping paper wallets, for example. It's commonly recommended to keep only in your mobile wallet the same as you would be comfortable with in keeping in your own cash wallet. Always make a backup from your wallet, for example, in case you lose or damage your phone. Each different wallet has different properties, and each individual and intended use makes a difference in the wallet choice. So it's important to do your own research on which wallet suits your needs the best. And these properties might relate to security, privacy, available features, or the experience level of you as a user. It's also important to do research about the reputation of the wallet and double check that you download the original software and not software that's compromised. If available, check the digital signatures, for example. And as always with a new process or software, always first test with a tiny amount that you transact with. About the Bitcoin wallet, which we are going to show you in this tutorial, despite the name and logo, it is not designed by Bitcoin Core, it is designed by independent Bitcoin wallet developers. We have chosen this wallet as an example for the tutorial, not specifically as endorsement. However, it is featured on the bitcoin.org website. It's a Bitcoin BTC only wallet, and according to reviews, it's beginner friendly and easy to use, mainly because it only has basic functionality. The wallet is open source, and you have full control of your keys and thus your money. Nobody can freeze or confiscate it. The wallet has basic privacy features. For example, it generates a new address for each new incoming transaction. You can influence fees and has 3 fee levels, which will influence the speed of confirmation. The wallet has Segwit by default, however, if you need, legacy addresses can be generated. A common backup for wallets is using a seed phrase. However, with this Bitcoin wallet, backup is done with a recovery file. Alright, let's dive into it. We are going to show you how to install this wallet. Okay, first of all, go to the Play Store and find Bitcoin Wallet. There you have it, Bitcoin Wallet. This is the one we want to download. Click Install and it will start downloading. So when it's done downloading, you can click Open. And there you have it, a fresh wallet. The first thing that we want to do is to make a backup from this wallet. So we're going to generate a recovery file. You can click on the 3 dots right here in the top right corner, and then we touch Safety, and then we select Backup Wallet. Then we need to make a password for our recovery file. It's important that you make a strong password and that you will also write this password down and store it somewhere safe. Click OK. The recovery file will be saved on my SD card on my phone. As you can read on this notification, if the only place your backup exists is on your device, you run the risk of losing both at the same time, which is why you need to make sure you will save this file also on another device or, for example, on a USB drive. And I will quickly show you how to do that. Connect your phone with your PC, for example, and then you will open your phone. I will go to my SD card and here you see the wallet backup file. which I will then copy, and preferably you paste it onto a USB drive, which you store in a safe place. So now that we stored our backup file, we can continue exploring the wallet. On the bottom you see this text, use at your own risk, read the safety notes. You can just read the safety notes, but if you've done your backup, you can go to settings, click settings, and you will uncheck show disclaimer so it doesn't appear anymore. Also, the default denomination on your wallet is in milli BitKoen, which you can also change. Go again to settings, click settings, denomination and precision, and here you can choose if you want to show in BTC, how many decimals, or even if you want to show in Satoshi. And as you can see, the balance will be shown in BTC now. Because some wallets or exchanges still cannot send to Segwit addresses, you also have the option to generate a legacy address. You do that by clicking the three dots and then click on request to legacy address, and then it will give you a QR code for a legacy wallet address. If you click on the QR code that you see here, then it will show you the QR code in bigger size, so someone else with a mobile phone could scan this QR code and then send BitKoen to your wallet. You can also request coins by clicking request coins. You can also use the share button or copy the address. Now suppose if you have BitKoen and you want to send it to another person, there are a few options that you can use. You can either press the little camera right here. It will open your camera and then you can start scanning a BitKoen address, for example this one. It will then load a address automatically and you can fill in the amount that you want to send, for example 100 or $1,000, and it will show you the BitKoen amount. If you press the three dots right here, then you can choose the type of fee. Priority will try to include you in the next block, and economic can take a lot longer. The other way is just to press send coins, and then you can just type or paste the BitKoen address of the person that you want to send BitKoen to right here in the first field. And when you're ready, you will press send and your transaction will be broadcasted to the network. One more thing that I wanted to show you is how to sweep a paper wallet. Again, you can press on the three dots, choose sweep paper wallet, then activate the camera, which is right here in the top right corner. Scan the private key. If the wallet shows you a balance, then you can press sweep and the balance from the paper wallet will be sent to your mobile wallet. As you can see, this wallet is quite easy to use. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, it would be very helpful for us if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.